golf with, they say, boy, you better get that fixed. You better get out of it, get in there and get that taken care of. Get a new knee in there.
Because when you're golfing, it slows you down.
Yeah.
Or your friends telling you to go get it fixed because you're ruining their game or their time.
Yeah, because a lot of them guys have had one guy would golf with all the time. He had both his replaced at one time last year.
Right. You think like 20 years or so you've had it, maybe 15?
Well, I'd say, when I first started getting the pain in there and everything, I was 60 years old.
Okay. How old are you now?
Next month I'll be 77.
Okay.
So it's been in there a long time.
Yeah.
It's not a long ways.
Let's see how far you can go down on that knee before it hurts.
It hurts there.
Hurts about right there?
Yeah.
And where does it hurt when you do that?
Oh, over here in the front more.
Right in the front?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll do the technique on your knee, and then I'll have you bend down and see if it changed. We'll be looking to see if there's less pain in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, the slapping's pretty. It might sting a little bit.
All right.
Okay, so you got some good color that came up.
Is it?
Yeah, it's good color. Well, it's a good sign. So that'll dissipate over the course of a week. So it'll disappear. So now, kind of bend down now and crouch like you were before, and just let me know where you feel the pain.
Yeah. More over in this one.
Yeah, you don't feel the left one as much, huh?
Yeah, that one feels pretty good.
Your left knee feels a lot better?
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah, how much better do you think percentage-wise? Like 80% or?
Oh, I'd say, yeah, there's no hurt in it now at all.
No pain?
I'd say a good 80%.
Yeah. And that's the knee that they recommended you do orthoscopic with, or?
They wanted to replace it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this technique can get rid of your knee pain. Maybe not from this one treatment that you got, but you can see that it had a dramatic effect on the knee. If we're able to do this a handful more times, you could get rid of that left knee pain.
Yeah. Well, we'll do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's see you crouch down again, because it really looks like you got a lot better range of motion.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one here has more an orthoscopic on this one.
All right. Yeah, it's your good knee that hurts now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the bad knee is much better.
Yeah, it is way better.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah.
It feels better right now than it's felt a long time.
Yeah. Yeah, it's an amazing technique.
Yeah.
All that it's doing is improving blood circulation through the knee. But that means a lot. That means that more oxygen's being brought into the knee. It's able to flush inflammatory debris, and so that's really the main thing with the chronic knee pain or knee arthritis is it gets poor blood circulation, and it gets worse as you age because the aging process part of that is poorer blood circulation.
Oh yeah, I know it. Yeah.
But it has the ability to get rid of your knee pain. It's unbelievable.
Oh yeah, I couldn't believe it.
Right?
Yeah. They were telling me that.
But it is something that people can do that are around you.
Yeah.
Your friends or family. It's easy to do. You just do it for 5 minutes.
I know a lot of guys that love to slap the shit out of me.
I bet.
Yeah.